you're a professional?
Are you?
That's it, Clark. Show him who's boss.
Oh, we're all in this together.
Hey everybody, what's going on? Welcome back to the Clark Griswold YouTube channel. I am Mr. Clark Griswold. Thank you guys for being here. If you are a first timer to this channel or a first timer to the Strat, then welcome. We're about to change the way that you guys trade. If you haven't done so yet, or again, if you are new, you can subscribe down below. Click that subscribe button, but then hit that bell. That bell gives you the notifications for when I send out videos just like this one, which is a watch list for the following day. Okay, I send these out every day. I send out top fives every day. I send out weekly swings, monthly swings, informational videos, motivational videos, learning tools. I just did a broadening formation video for you guys. People have been asking for it. I put it up. I've got a 4-part series on the hashtag 30 and 30. I've got Sarah Strat Sniper's 50% rule. I've got entry and exit videos. I've got videos on what these candlestick numbers mean, how to trade inside bars, how to trade outside bars, how to trade 3-1 setups, trade reviews on trades we've taken. Okay, so go check those out. You can also follow me on Twitter at Mr. Clark Griswold. Follow me there. You can comment there. You can DM me there. You can ask me any question. There's no silly questions. There's no dumb questions. Okay, ask away. I'm here to help. You can also ask those questions or comment down below on any one of my videos. I usually get back to you guys within the same day. I'm pretty adamant about trying to get you guys your answers that you're looking for. Okay, so today we're doing the watch list for Lotto Friday, May 27th. I didn't find a whole bunch of plays. They're very limited in what we have for the day trades. So if those aren't working, guys, then switch to the intraday and look for plays there, whether they're inside bars or 3-1 setups or 30 and 30 plays. Okay, look for those. And then again, be cautious of tomorrow, not only because it's Lotto Friday, but it's a long weekend for the US. Okay, so you guys have Monday off. There's no trading on Monday. So likely the market's going to become stagnant around the lunch hour, okay? And for me, that's probably going to be around 10 or 11 o'clock. So just be cognizant of that when you guys are trading. The volumes might drop on the plays, and the plays just might not be there for the whole day. So just be cautious when you're trading, okay? So let's get started on this list. I'll start with Apple. Apple's got a 1-3 setup. So a 1-3 is an inside bar, which is a 1 bar. It doesn't break the high or the low of the previous candle. And then it's followed by an outside bar, which breaks the high and the low of the previous candle. So we have this inside bar stayed within the range of this 2 down. And then we have this outside bar broke both sides today. Okay, and I actually called this out. I said Apple's likely going to go outside bar on the daily, and sure enough, it did. We took some profit on that, and a lot of people took a lot more as it crushed through the top of this inside bar. Sarah Strat Sniper said a lot of people in her room caught that as well. Okay, so I'm pretty sure I just drew this broadening formation on the BF video earlier today that I sent out. So we had a higher high and a lower low. So high, low, low, back up. We tagged both sides. Okay, and now where are we going? Okay, are we about to come back down through this range and tag the bottom? Or are we going to break through it? Okay, we'll find out tomorrow. We do have the day and the week on the time frame are green. If you want this indicator, click on your indicator tab. Type in time frame continuity right here, and the author is Board Rider B. While we're at it, if you want these candle numbers under your candlesticks, type in candle type, the Strat, author is Crinklebind. Okay, so inside bar, outside bars, they do not happen very often. We can go back in time to try and find the last one on Apple, and we have to go back to August of 2021 was the last time we had it. And let's see what happened. As we zoom in here, And again, these are just like the double inside bars, the inside bars. They don't always work, but probabilities tell us that we have good action on them the following candle. And sure enough, here we are. So we broke the low of this outside bar. We came down. We didn't quite hit targets, but it did come down for about 3 days before it reversed. There were a few more I saw back here. You can look at this one. Had a really nice run up here for 3 days. This one, inside, outside bar to an inside bar. So then it turned into a 3-1 setup. And look at this thing run. Okay, and then we had one more here, inside, outside bar. And we had a really nice run to the downside right on this one. Okay, so most times, guys, the majority of the times they work. They don't always. It's not 100% foolproof plans. Okay, so we will play this. And if we trigger to the high side at 144.33, we can take it and look for targets at the top here and for us to break through this broadening formation. Or we can take it to the bottom side here as well, 137.18 puts, and we can look again for it to break through this broadening formation and hit targets right here, okay, at the bottom of this candle. So I would say I've probably got 3 plays on here for you guys. Apple. The next one is DDog. So DataDog has an outside bar. It's a 2-3 setup. We're looking for the next 2. So is it going to be a 2-3-2 reversal or a 2-3-2 continuation? We'll find out tomorrow. And again, I didn't draw the lines on here. Let's do it right now. We can take calls on this one at 91.62 or puts to the downside at 82.15. Okay, time frame except for the day today is all red. That means the week this week is red, the month is still red, quarterly and yearly is red. Currently the year is on an inside bar. And is it any close to breaking out of that? It is close to becoming a 2 down, okay, on the year for DataDog. Okay, so pay attention to this as well as we move through next week. So we go back to the daily. Zoom in for you guys. So that's the play on DataDog. As I said, the setups for tomorrow on Lotto Friday aren't great. You guys are heading into a long weekend in the States, so maybe you don't even trade. But we can watch and pay attention, and maybe there's something there. Hey, next up is VLO. VLO has a 2-up that finished red. The time frame is all green outside of this day, so we may get a 2-2 continuation. But if we do reverse on this, it will be at 126.19 will be the trigger. And we can take our target right there. And again, the week is inside. And we're likely not breaking outside of that week. So this thing tomorrow may just chop around, especially again, given that we have that long weekend coming up in the US. So I'll change this back to green because that is your first target or order of magnitude or pivot point. 126.19, we can take the trigger for puts. Next up, CL. Again, 2-up red. So we will look for puts on this one at 77.55, and it is a 1-2-2 reversal is what we're looking for, a Rev Strat. Inside bar, 2 up, 2 down is what we're looking for, okay? And then the target's right here at 76.85, and I'll move this one down slightly, 76.37. That's on Colgate Palmolive. Next up, we've got Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola, it is 2 up and green. We do have a shooter candle here, though, so that's why I've got it on here. Again, there weren't many plays, so I'm grasping at straws on the daily chart. 2 up green, but it is a shooter, which is a bearish pattern. So if we do trigger to the downside on the reversal, we can take this at 63.95, and our first target is at 63.60, only a 30-cent move on Coke. Pfizer is up next, PFE. Pfizer had a 2-up that finished red, shooter candle. Okay, so we'll look for puts on Pfizer at 53.87, and we have 2 targets here at 52.05, 53.05, and 52.68. That's on Pfizer. We have broken through the high of that broadening formation there, and we are also close to hitting the top of this one. So if we zoom out so you guys can see this, I think I went through PFE in the broadening formation video. But we've got here higher high to a lower low. Tag this inside broadening formation here, back to the lows, and then back up to the highs of this one, and then we just kept on going. So we may have a 2-2 continuation here. Also setting up with a pivot machine gun, as you can see, a higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, and a higher low with this red shooter candle. So we could see a PMG coming back to the downside here. Okay, I can't remember if I had one of those on Coke. There was another play. Coke is also one of those, okay? Higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, pivot machine gun down, possibly off of this shooter candle. Okay? We got two more plays for you guys here. PayPal is up next. PayPal, same thing. We had this 2-up green doji candle, so it's a little bit indecisive on what it's going to do here. The time frame continuity on the week, month, quarterly, yearly is red. The day today is green. So again, we can look for puts on this one at 79.71. There's our first target at 77.25. Really nice magnitude on PayPal. The week again is inside, okay, and it doesn't look like we're breaking out of that. Tomorrow. So again, this thing again might chop around, but this is our trigger here. Green line's our target. And the last one I've got is XOP. XOP has this 2-up green. We are full green on the time frame continuity, but we are at the top of a broadening formation, okay? So this is a chance where we have full time frame continuity and a chance for reversal when we're at exhaustion. So we can see we've got the higher highs and the higher highs here. The lower lows are down here. We've got high to a low to a high to a low, and we've come back up and tagged this high. Now, there is a very good possibility that we come back to tag the high of this broadening formation, but this is a very good possible reversal on XOP. So we can watch that for tomorrow on Lotto Friday. We can take puts on this one at 148.71. We'll draw first targets here. Usually they go to the bottom of the wicks if we're going trending down, but there's a gap here. So we play the top of the wicks, and then your second target becomes the bottom of the wick. Okay, guys? That's it. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm not going to be putting out a top 5. This is your top 10, top 5, whatever you want to call it. There's not a lot of great plays out there. So look for intraday in the morning if you'd like on those 30 and 30s, the reversals, the inside bars. Make sure you're watching them. And that's it, guys. Enjoy your weekend, your long weekend in the U.S., Canada. Enjoy your Saturday, Sunday. We'll be putting out swing videos. And is it time for a monthly video? When does a month turn over? Nope, that will come on Tuesday night. We'll have that video out. That's it, guys. Enjoy it. Happy Friday tomorrow. Happy Lotto Friday. I hope you guys had a really good week. I hope you were green. I know I was. I know a lot of my followers were. So congratulations to you guys. And again, enjoy your weekend. And we will see you on the next one, guys. Bye-bye.